So here is a demo of what would have been in front of our poster had we been at the physical science fair. A lot of the work that we did in our project revolves around region of interest images, and the reason for that is because we believe that using the networks that we trained, we can actually deploy them into an application that would be helpful for a quick screening on the field, whether it would be on your computer or on a smartphone. So with the time that we had, we actually were able to develop a web platform in order to be able to inference images. So here is the classification portal that we have here. You can see that it's a very standard interface. Let's say, for example, I want to choose a file. Let's go to my downloads. Let's go to some of the images that I have here on standby, which should be right here. Let's say, for example, I want to classify an adenocarcinoma pancreas image. So I can click that image here. It'll upload it to our little web portal. You can choose which pre-trained model you want to use. So VGG16 typically is one of the standard image classification models that people use. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click upload. And in a matter of seconds, wait for it just a little bit, you'll have a prediction of what it actually is. So it says that the network actually predicted carcinoma. It has the file name, it has the confidence level, what method it utilized to classify, the model name. So here you can see the image. And then we also built for pathologists, for example, an actual way to classify or determine just how confident we are in our prediction. So for example, we go on a sigmoid function, and so closer to 0 is around carcinoma, and closer to 1 is about sarcoma in terms of the output. So you can see that the network's output was about 5.21 times 10 to the negative 12th, which is pretty much 0. That means that the network classified the ROI as carcinoma with a very strong confidence level. And so we're hoping that if we put this platform in the hands of pathologists or people on the field, they'll be able to make a quick screening using our networks.